Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these super cute stickers that I got for my son. We actually got these for potty training as like a little reward. He loves trucks, he loves vehicles, and he loves these stickers. So they come in two different rolls. The first roll has like construction vehicles. So we have like bulldozer, excavator, mixer truck, crane, tractor, cold truck, and then a dump truck. Great variety in here. In this one we have a helicopter, a plane, a fighter plane, another helicopter, a truck, a bus, a train, a steamship. So it has a really nice variety of vehicles. They are smaller. They're about the size of a quarter. So that's one thing I didn't realize in the description, but we still love them. They work really well for a reward system or just for sticker fun for your little one. So I definitely recommend these. They are super cute and they work really well, and that is my point of view.